Good evening, sac passe. Hey, I'm Anderson Cooper. I'm sorry my Creole is not very good. I'm sorry I could not be there with you. I wanted to thank you, though, for honoring 360 and CNN's coverage of the disaster in Haiti. But more importantly, I wanted to thank you for helping Haiti with your donations, with your caring and your compassion. I think all of us who were there, and certainly I will never forget what I saw, what we all saw in those initial days after the earthquake. Abandoned by leaders, as they so often have been, it was the Haitian people themselves, as you know, who worked the hardest to save themselves. For hours and for days, we saw Haitian men and women and children digging with their bare, bloodied hands through rubble, searching for friends and for family and for complete strangers. Because of your support and the support of others around the world, medicine and machinery and help began to arrive. You know, we saw so many from the Haitian community in America and around the world come to the aid of their countrymen. Too many lives were lost, too many lives that didn't need to be lost. And I know that months have passed, and I know many in America have moved on to other stories, other issues. But you know, as we at CNN do, that the disaster in Haiti is not over. There are still hundreds of thousands of people living in makeshift camps, crowded together, trying to stay dry, stay clean, stay alive. Their dignity and their strength, their resilience is extraordinary, but they need our help. And it's important that all of us continue to pay attention to what's happening in Haiti. The earthquake is over, of course, but each day there is new tragedy, there is new heartache. The earth may have stopped shaking, but people's lives still are crumbling. And we cannot forget that, and I know that you have not forgotten that. I got very sick on my last trip to Haiti, and I haven't been able to go back as often as I'd like. I'm better now, though, and plan to start traveling again very soon, and I can't wait to return to the streets of Port-au-Prince and to continue to bear witness to the struggles and the triumphs of the Haitian people. It's an honor to be able to tell the world their plight, and it is an honor to see their resolve, their determination, their faith. Thank you again for doing everything you're doing to help. I wish I could be there with you in person, but my heart is with you. Messa NPO.